All right, so now we get into actually taking this vocab that we've been working with for about a week and actually applying it to some situations where I'm going to make an equation. Before you start, remember, and I've said this a million times, making an equation with no idea why it's there is a bad idea, no matter what. All right, so before you go ahead and make any equation, or even if you write an equation, before you solve it, you need to have a reason. All right, the why is that equation there? So I've got the word midpoint. So I've got the word midpoint, which means two equal parts. So before I start, all right, I'm going to make sure I know that. Okay. Now I am going to look at what's happening here. So I've got AB right there, and I've got AC, which is right here. Now I'm going to erase that yellow that I had because I just made it blue. Okay. So that's what I have. So the temptation for this is going to be, and I know a lot of you are going to do it, just set everything equal to each other. All right. And then hope that it works out. We have to make sure that we're thinking about this. All right. The green and the blue don't even look the same size. So saying green equals blue doesn't make any sense. But because I have two equal parts there, the green and the purple are the same. I don't know anything about the purple. But what I do know is that green is half of blue. All right. Green is half of blue because of the midpoint. That tells me that green's half. So I know that 2, I'm supposed to know, 2 times the green equals the blue. All right. Because of that two equal parts. So now I've got the y figured out. So I'm going to do 2 times 3x plus 4 equals 8x minus 14. All right, but again, I don't want to write that equation until I know that it's right, because otherwise I'm just solving an equation. It probably is going to end up being wrong, and then I'm going to have to do it all over again. So 6x plus 8 equals 8x minus 14. I'm going to get rid of this 6x. I'm going to get 8 equals 2x minus 14. I'm going to add the 14. And I'm going to get 22 equals 2x. And then 99% of the time in geometry, I've got to do something with that 11. I hope that it's just plugging it back in easily. Sometimes it might be doing something else, but it's going to have to go someplace. All right, so what does it want to know? Well, it wants to know BC, which I highlighted in purple. I don't have any algebra for BC, all right, but I do know from before that the green and the purple are equal because of this two equal parts thing. So that means whatever green is, I know purple is. So I'm going to write down purple equals green. Okay, and again, I don't need to write anything extra. It's because of that two equal parts thing. So 3 times 11 plus 4 is 37. Right, but remember, through all these problems, level 1, level 2, and level 3, the most important thing is, why is that equation there? Why do you have that answer? Because the algebra part you're already supposed to know how to do from last year and the year before that and the year before that.